What's up, guys? I felt compelled to come out with another end of October update here, being that the S&P has lost its VWAP and is on its way down to that Q3 anchor here. So on this chart that I posted on October 24, you can see I was already planning this downward move here. And you can see how in previous quarters, when this yellow VWAP spawned, we retest previous quarters there. And when this red VWAP spawned over here back in April, we got a retest of the year to date there. So when a new quarter spawns, it's very likely that you have these sorts of corrections. It's not really due to anything going on, but I believe it's just something price likes to do. And so if we go to the chart now, you can see the S&P has begun to make this downward move. Perhaps there will be some retracement, but it may be over with quick as the market's been lulled into a false sense of security due to the impending Trump landslide, which people think there's going to be a Trump landslide. As for whether this is like macro bearish, I don't think so. Just because these VWAPs here are sloped up for us. We love upsloped SMAs, EMAs, and VWAPs. That gives you a nice bullish environment. And so we likely come and find a bottom here, or maybe we don't even quite get there. All I know is that the S&P's quarterly VWAPs are sloped up, and so it is in a very strong uptrend. It may not be over quite yet, and so this could just be a healthy little correction, and then we resume the party after that. So Bitcoin has not taken well. Bitcoin dominance obviously is continuing to surge, and if things go bearish for the stock market and cryptos, this number is only going to continue to go up. So I get that Ben Cowan's been calling for 60%, but that doesn't mean that 60% is the top. This thing could go to like 80% depending on what happens in the world. And so right now, Bitcoin dominance is trending. You can see that on the futures, the CME futures, we did create an all-time high, which is a very bearish signal. On the 4-hour, we looked really bearish there, but on the daily, you see that double top on the momentum wave on the daily, and that is your signal there. And so we go to the Bybit chart, and we see this move, this November move. As soon as November begins, one of the first places we want to be trading at is the previous month's anchored VWAP. We could be heading there now. The daily has our back here. Crypto Twitter sentiment was overly bullish. And so this actually could be where we are headed right now, is down here in the 65s. Would be a nice healthy move. And I still remain bullish at that point. We're over all of the year's quarterly VWAPs here. And we're still just over this net of VWAPs here. So I have to have a bullish slant when we're performing this good. But if we did lose the year to date again, obviously I would start being concerned, and we would be looking at some of these previous years' VWAPs, but I'm not going to go there quite yet. And so right now, just looking at Bitcoin in the next week or so to be trading potentially down here at the 65s. And let me know down in the comments below if my TA on these last two videos helped you. And just know that when I put something out, I really want you guys to watch it. That's why I don't put out fluff videos. I only come out with my best ideas. And so drop a comment, subscribe, and like the video. And you guys have a good one.